Hi guys, today we're gonna make paper flowers.
Can you show them one?
Yes.
What? No, one of the finished ones?
Finished.
So what we're gonna take is we've flattened out these coffee filters. We just got the stack wet, flattened it out, and then it's took like a day or two to dry.
And we made them silver shine. Do you see the silver?
Yeah, then we spray painted gold all around the edges just to add a little contrast. And we're gonna show you how quick and easy it is to make a paper flower. So go ahead and show what you're doing here.
Okay, so.
Make a O. Show them the O first. Okay. And then you set it on the O. Tell them what you're doing.
I'm making a paper
Coffee?
flower. Yes. Now, just gotta twist.
Fluff it up.
Fluff, fluff, fluff. Okay, that's better.
Do you want me to tape it or do you want to tape it?
I'm gonna tape all of them. A couple. We can finish some tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm gonna do.
We have to make 130.
Yes.
Are you gonna make them?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you do is you just make a O with your hand, center the paper, and then you poke in the center, and you kind of fluff up the sides, and then you just twist the stem.
And
Tape it closed. Just wrap a piece of tape around.
I'm finished.
Ta-da!
The sparkliest flower in the world. Mine is more prettier because
It is, truly. There's a lot of cute things you can do with these flowers. We're actually going to attach them to some branches, and we're going to be creating centerpieces for a quinceañera. So more on that later, but in the meantime, we have about 128 more to make.
Can we
So
keep some at our home?
yeah.
Bye.